This is how we make our traditional floral bath powder with dry jasmine flowers, dry rose petals, dry avarampu, and other herbs. Flowers are the primary ingredients in body care products used traditionally in all cultures due to their gentleness on the skin and the healing properties it possesses. We collect our daily blooms of jasmines, roses, separate the petals and shade dry them to preserve its efficacy. Though floral petals lose their fragrance on drying, their soothing, hydrating, nourishment properties are preserved. Avarampu is also collected from wild and dried to add along the bath powder ingredients. These floral petals added improves the hydration in skin and gives natural glow to it. Roots like vetiver, arrowroots, sampangi seeds, sweet flag are added along, which gives the herbal aroma as well as detox and maintains a healthy skin. These roots are harvested, cleaned and cut to small pieces for milling. They are dried along with green grass, which forms the base for the bath powder for gentle scrubbing and to exfoliate the dead cells. All the ingredients are collected separately, cleaned, cut to desired milling size and dried together before going to mill. Many hands are directly involved behind making this, 10 plus farmers, flower collectors and small milling units in rural areas. Soft floral petals are milled twice and hard herbs and roots are grinded and milled up to 4 times to get the soft texture. They are mixed together and fine sieved before packing. This whole process may look tedious, but this is a luxury one could afford their skin in ancient times. Mix the floral bath powder with water to make a loose paste and apply to face, body to scrub gently and leave it for a minute for the ingredients to work on the skin and rinse with water. You would feel the gentleness on the skin after it is like petals of flowers.